Thank you so much for speaking to us today, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.
Can you tell me a little bit about your company and the products that you manufacture?
First, I should introduce myself. So, I'm Anand Golikere. I'm as the Director Sales and Operations for Oerlikon Surface Solutions in India, and I take care of the services business in India.
Okay.
So, Oerlikon is into job coding service provider. So, we cater to the requirements of cutting tools, or I would say tools, which includes cutting tools like round tools, gear cutting tools, of course, for sheet metal working, dies, molds. So we code all the tools, as well as we provide services for component coding, which are used in automobile industry, aerospace industry,
Right.
Oil and gas, and many other industries.
Right. Okay. So can you tell me a little bit about the challenges and the opportunities in the Indian market?
Okay, just flashback, I would say 2022 we had a good year. Of course, much better results than 2021 after
The COVID-19 pandemic.
pandemic. And we are still seeing that Indian market is very positive and growing. We are just coming from Auto Expo, where we still see the auto market is now coming up. Even it is forecasted that 23-24, even commercial vehicles will
Yeah.
be coming back to the same sales figures what we had in 2018. And gear cutting tools, which is also a major part of our sales for job coding service provider, we expect that we will continue growth even for 2023.
Right.
Of course, there are some headwinds going on in the global scenario. So, due to the rising inflation, there are some dark clouds, but hopefully, I expect that this will go away by mid of year.
Right. What is unique about the Indian market and what kind of trends do you see?
As I already mentioned, it's after pandemic, we were not into the same volumes which was being produced.
There were a lot of
Yeah,
disruptions,
there were
supply
a lot of
chain
disruptions,
especially.
supply chain disruptions. And even today, if you see all automobile companies have order waiting for more than 6 months to 9 months, if you see the delivery period.
Right.
So, if this were problems, if semiconductor and supply chain improves, that will be a further growth. And considering Indian as a market, I would say the number of cars per 1,000 people in India is the lowest in the world,
Right.
as compared to the developed countries and many
Right.
other countries. So we expect Indian market is for further growth, and with Government of India's initiative with improving the infrastructure all over India. So having the more highways and this,
Yes.
so this is going to further only support our growth in automobile industry. But automobile industry is not just the focus. We are
Yes.
also catering to other industries.
Aerospace also.
Aerospace, but if I speak about gear cutting tools, we are also catering to general engineering like reduction gearboxes and others. So the gear manufacturing we cater to.
Okay.
So
All right.
not just coating, we also provide value-added services like regrinding and coating. So we provide a complete one-stop solution. And very soon in 2023, by it's a mid-year or end of year, we'll be launching a new product or service, which is like prime gear and prime treat, especially for gear cutting tools. So we can optimize the performance of the tools by analyzing in every step, right from the raw material, the cutting speed,
Right.
speeds, and we can use solutions.
So really granular.
Granular.
Right.
And this we will be launching, I would say, end of year.
Okay. Right. And lastly, so you know about Gear Technology India and that it's launching in India. How do you see that helping out the industry? What are your expectations from a publication like that?
If we say cutting tools, in my opinion, is broadly divided into round tools and insets, and the gear cutting tool.
Right.
Gear cutting tool, I would say, is a big market because almost 50% of any automobile transmission reasons.
Yeah.
Of course, there is a challenge which is coming up with EVs. Okay,
Yes.
That is going to
Yes.
eliminate
Yes.
the transmission.
Yeah.
But still, I would say the bevel gears is required in the EV for the transmission.
Right.
So it will not be totally. And country like India, which is a developing country, so even for EV to penetrate to that extent, I see 2030, 35 will be the period which will be a more challenging than today. So I see growth for next 5 years at least.
Okay. And what about the publication itself, Gear Technology India? Do you have any expectations from that and how it might help out the industry?
I used to read, and even reading today, American Gear Technology,
Right.
because most of the articles they chosen. It's a very good reference, like very detailed articles what
Right.
we get, and good inputs. And now I hear this magazine is being launched in India, so this will be an added advantage because that will be focused only on Indian
Yes.
customers and Indian
Market.
market.
Yeah. So, yeah, any expectations from the magazine? Are you excited about it?
Yeah, it is excited because to be frank, there was no agency which was focused only on Indian market
Right.
as far as gear cutting is.
Right. Okay.
So there are other magazines which always have machine tools around. So
Yeah.
gear cutting tools is another big area
Right.
where someone is looking into. So I hope every gear tool maker or the manufacturer becomes part of this in near future.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much for talking to me, sir.